Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to Settings. Here click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams and you click here, like this. Then this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. Then we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Microsoft Teams. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.